Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Sneaker Rehab. So today I got a quick little install video for you guys. So I recently purchased a Perrin Fender Shrouds. I got them from Subie mods, and they got 85 shipped, 85 or 90 shipped, give or take. And I can't go wrong with them. They're really nice. It's all black. It says Perrin, and it's just, you know, a nice engine bay piece. Now I was gonna get the SubieSpeed carbon fiber ones, but I didn't really feel like pulling the trigger on $400 Shrouds, where I can use that money for, you know, another mod. So yeah, without further ado, let's do it. As you can see here, this is what I was talking about, kind of like that felt material. I don't really know if it's called felt, but you know, you get the point. Now, I mean, obviously the carbon fiber will look dope because I got the battery cover and the fuse cover, but you know, I went ahead with these ones. It's nice, you know, it pops and everything. So I went ahead and took these off because I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, it still accumulates rocks and stuff like that. And mind you, I didn't even have fasteners for these. I don't even know what the hell happened to the fasteners. I don't know if they flew off or during the installation of something else they came off, but I don't know. But they're not there. So with these ones, you have to take fasteners, and I did them already on this side. I'll show you guys a little bit. Now, this one kind of bent, but this one came out good. I put too much force, so that was my fault. The first time it came out like this. Now this is garbage. That came out really bad, but it will still go in, so that's alright with that. But it'll still go in, so I'm not really too concerned. So yeah, let's get these bad boys on.